If you have finally made the very important decision in your life to switch from Windows to Mac, you have finally seen the light. Welcome to the good side. All jokes aside, this video is going to help you out on a couple different things because when you do switch over to Mac, there is a little bit of an adjustment period. A couple things off the top is that the UI is very different. The X's and the minimize is no longer on the top right, is now on the top left. Now there's a command button, there's an option button, and those are just a couple things off the top of the stack that you'll have to get used to on like everyday function. One major thing that you will have to get used to is uninstalling programs and just managing leftover files. Coming from Windows, you could uninstall programs by just literally right-clicking it and uninstalling it right then and there. I will give a point to Windows for doing that because Mac is a little bit more complicated than that. Because with your new MacBook or iMac, it's not as easy as just dragging and dropping your app icon to the trash. You still have a couple things to worry about. Because in Windows, it's easy to find your program files if you need to do a little bit of spring cleaning, but for Mac, all of those program files are spread across the UI. So when you remove an app improperly, you actually leave behind a lot of leftover files like app caches, preferences, and support files. And this could be a major problem if you do this a lot because all those leftover files are just going to take up a lot of storage and it's kind of hard to find and clean it up yourself. So to make this operation a whole lot simpler, I really recommend this program called CleanMyMac. And in this beautiful program, there is a feature called the uninstaller. And once you do a quick scan of your device, you could find the app that you want to delete and it will delete everything involved with it, all the related hidden files, with basically just one click. So if you're new to the Apple and Mac ecosystem, I highly recommend this program because there is a bunch of features to make your whole life a lot easier with system cleanup, malware scans, optimization, and so much more. So if you want, there's a download link in the description box below to start a 7-day free trial, or you could just buy it outright. I highly recommend this program. Thank you so much for watching this quick little video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more pro Mac tips, and I will see you in that next video.